ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ರೂಪಿಸುವ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಶರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ವಿಜಯಪುರ ನಗರದ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಎಂದು ಹೆಸರಾಗಿರುವ ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನ ಪಿಯು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಹೊಸ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ 2020-21ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಚಂದನಗೌಡ ಮಾಳಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಆಚರಿಸಿದರು.
In February and March of 2020, and as I told, many have attended. There was a long queue waiting for writing examination. Around 1,200 from whole district have written examination, and many of you have taken admission. But as we have to decide the ranks, so we have taken 11 students to honor today. To begin with, I would like to call Riya Bajaj from BM Patil School, Bijapur, Vasudev Joshi, Vishwabharati, that is Shantiniketan School, Vijaypur, Sachin from Government School, Kagod, as I told, rural, urban, Kannada medium, English medium, all are there. You all are talented students. So big round of applause. Vaishnavi Matapati, again from Vishwabharati School, that is Shantiniketan, and Mayur Hangandi from Vishwabharati School, Shantiniketan, Pavitra from Padmanjali English Medium School, Pradeep Adani from Government School, Kagod, Sachin Gundagi from Horti MDRS School, Vidhi Tosniwal.
ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ರಾದ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಬಿರಾದಾರ್ ಅವರು ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯದ ಅರಿವು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಅನೇಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳ ಕುರಿತು ಅರಿವು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿದರು.
Organized by our PUC second year students. Why this Fresher Day is celebrated? Mainly to introduce or to know the new entrants into this institution. ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ಸೇರಿದಂತಹ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸಬ್ರು. To make them feel comfortable, usually the seniors, they welcome them by giving this freshers party. So I really congratulate our second year students for this. It's a really wonderful function that you have organized. And during this, the management decided to felicitate the achievers in the talent exam that was conducted last year. But unfortunately, we had actually thought of having this function in a very big scale. But unfortunately, because of the COVID, we could not organize this. But today, because the Freshers Day was celebrated, we had an opportunity to felicitate all the achievers. I, on this occasion, congratulate all of you. Please remember, everybody has talent. It is not that the only 11 who were on the stage, they have the talent. Every one of you, each one of you, you have a talent. The talent means it's not only the academics. You might be good in drawing, you might be good in singing, one might be good in dancing. There are so many skills. One might be good in speaking. So mainly, today what is very much required is to inculcate or talent in you.
ಇನ್ನು ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶೀಲಾ ಬಿರಾದಾರ್ ಅವರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಡೆದು ಬಂದ ಹಾದಿ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ರೂಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸತತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
Biradar and all the dignitaries on the stage, my beloved teachers and students. Today, throughout the World Sparrows Day is observed. Science students, do you know that? Throughout the world, what is celebrated? Observed World Sparrows Day. Have you seen the sparrows? Yes, ma'am. Definitely, because our institution is welcoming all the sparrows, parrots and the pigeons. And first of all, I welcome PUC first year Science and Commerce students to this institution. Secondly, I congratulate all the achievers of Talent Search examination that was conducted in 2020 in the month of February. Twice we conducted. Congratulations. And thirdly, I would like to appreciate the organization, the members of PUC second year organizing committee for organizing it so well. Congratulations. I hope it's not boring you. Under 5 minutes, you have to bear with me. I would like to share a few of the things because student days never come back, better you understand. And most of you have come to this institution setting a goal for yourself and reaching the heights of your success. Success and failures are the two faces of the same coin. But many great personalities have failed in their achievements, but lastly, they have reached the heights of their success. By reading the books, by reading the lives of many great personalities, you'll come to know that how they have failed and how they have achieved. Students, dear students, I would like to just say a few mantras for students. Number one, you have to have always the effort of a crow. Have you seen the crow? Picking the pebbles by pebbles by pebbles and reaching the rim of the pitcher to reach the water. Right? Have you heard the story of thirsty crow? That is the effort every student should have. Hard work never fails you in getting success. And already many achievers are here amongst us. Shantiniketan is quite enough in giving ranks to the state, to the district and to the college level also. And before you come to this institution, we may have not many expectations, but Corona happened. Corona happened, but it taught us so many lessons. And patiently, year into this institution, come back to the studies, and your hard work, hard effort is required, just as the effort of a crow, thirsty crow. With full attention, the big fish to catch it. So you should be like standing on one leg with hard effort like a crow and patiently waiting for the big fish means big achievement, big success. This is the second mantra. First is thirsty crow, hard work, hard effort. And secondly, crane, like you have to stand on one leg and be attentive and focus on your goals. And third one is, you should be like another animal. Which do you feel like having a faithful animal? Dog. You should sleep like a dog. You should sleep like a dog means you should be always alert enough. We see a dog sleeping, closed eyes, but as soon as it gets a sound of anything, it opens its eyes. So alertness, 24/7 alertness is required, just like a sleep of a dog. Third, what is the third one? You sleep like a dog. And fourth one is, eat less. Many are having problems with eating habits, eating food, right? We were having this, that, and we cannot eat, especially hostilites, right? And so much of studies, late night studies, getting up early in the morning, 7 o'clock. So eat less. We are not here to have food. Eat less. Alpahara. You have to give food to your senses. You have to give food to your senses. So this is how eat less. Movies, sacrifice from using mobiles, sacrificing so many unnecessary, unwanted things in your life. So these mantras were very important for the students to reach the height of success. And I don't take much of your time. You are waiting for the cultural events, I think so. But one thing, all of you were speaking so good. You are expressing your words of gratitude to know about what you felt about this institute. Thank you very much. And at the same time, we all expect a kind of good relation between Guru Shishya. Always your teachers wish his or her student to achieve a great. For example, Swami Vivekananda would work better than Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, right? Have you studied him? Swami Vivekananda, Shishya of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, could work so better than his Guru. Have you heard the name of Shishnal Sharif? He could work better than his Guru Govinda. So like that, similarly, we all are expecting your growth in the form of success, in the form of ranks, in the form of like your career. So your parents, institution and teachers will be the most happiest persons in the world if you go to the height of success. And lastly, you should try to analyze yourself, where we stand, what I'm doing, whether I'm properly studying, whether I'm really clearing my doubts with the teachers, whether really I'm going in the right track, whether whatever I'm doing, it's up to the mark, whether I deserve this. These are all questions should be before you so that you can achieve better, best. Somebody said, I want to gradually improve better, better, better. We are expecting you, friends, the best ones from you. I hope, under the guidance of our efficient, qualified teachers, I have to say thank you, big thank you to my staff members and the principal, because without teachers, munde guri irbeku, ee ibbarnu munde ittukodbedu ನೀವು ಗುರಿನು ಗುರುನು ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, and then you work hard, go ahead and give us success, bring laurels to the institution. And once again, I welcome you all to this institution, and the program is well organized. I hope this post-pandemic period has given you still more freshness along with this function which is organized so well. And
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನ ಅನಾವರಣ ಮಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾದರು.
ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದರು. ಅದಕ್ಕನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮನ್ನು ಬರೆದೆವು. ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮುಗಿದ ನಂತರ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಚಂದನಗೌಡ ಮಾಲಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕೊಠಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ದಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಆರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಿಸಿದರು. ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ನಾನು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 5ನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಡೆದೆನು. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಪ್ರವೇಶವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದೆ.
Students were benefited by this exam. The parents were also delighted as the students got a chance to showcase their talent. Students attended the examination in huge numbers. There were almost around 1,200 students who appeared for the examination. All were in the hope of achieving a good result, and the examination was also helped students to open up about their hidden talent. The questions were not based upon only a particular topic. There were numerous topics on which the questions were asked.
ಇನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಶಿ, ಭರತ್ ಬಿರಾದಾರ್, ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಶರತ್ ಬಿರಾದಾರ್, ಮುಸ್ತಾಕ್ ಸರ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಪಾಲಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು.
We all need languages. Language is always equally important. So I thank my teachers to improve and enhance.
శ్రీ శ్రీనివాసం శ్రితపారిజాతం విశ్వస్మై నమః శ్రీ శ్రీనివాసం
ಶ್ರೀ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷಾಲಯ. ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಗುರೂಜಿ. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಬಂದವರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಧನಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಕವಚವನ್ನು ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಲಾಗುವುದು.
ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲದ ಮಹಾಮಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯರಾದ ರುಂಡಮಾಲಿನಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಚೌಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ದೇವಿ ಆರಾಧಕರಾದ
ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಗುರೂಜಿ
ಇವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಂತಹ ಕಷ್ಟಕರವಾದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲದ ಮಂತ್ರಶಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ದೈವಶಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಕೇವಲ 5 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ 100% ಪರಿಹಾರ ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಶತಸಿದ್ಧ. ಅಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಉದ್ಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಂದರೆ, ಮದುವೆ ಕಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಘ್ನ, ಸಾಲದ ಬಾಧೆ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಂದರೆ, ಲೈಂಗಿಕ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ, ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಹ, ಅತ್ತೆ ಸೊಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿತ್ತಾಟ, ಡೈವೋರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಶತ್ರುನಾಶ, ಪ್ರೇಮ ವಿಚಾರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ತರೇಖೆ, ಜಾತಕ, ಮುಖಲಕ್ಷಣ, ಕವಡೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲದ ಗಾಂಧರ್ವ ಸಂಮೋಹಿನಿ ಪೂಜೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಇಷ್ಟಾರ್ಥ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ವಶೀಕರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಪುರುಷ ವಶೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ದಿನದಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಂತಹ ಕಠಿಣ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿದ್ದರೂ ಮಾಟಮಂತ್ರ, ನಾಗದೋಷ, ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ, ದೀರ್ಘಾವಧಿ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳು, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಂದರೆ, ಮದುವೆ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸರ್ವಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಮಹಾ ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನ ಯಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಸಿಕೊಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಕೇರಳ ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲದ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಸಾಧಕರು. ನುಡಿದಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅತಿ ಶೀಘ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಹಾರ. ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಗುಪ್ಸೆ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಗುರೂಜಿಯವರನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಗುಪ್ತವಾಗಿಡಲಾಗುವುದು.
27 ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು, 12 ರಾಶಿಗಳು, 11 ಕರ್ಣಗಳು ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಶೋಧಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ.
ಉಚಿತ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ, ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಪರಿಹಾರ. ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳೇನೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಚಿಂತಿಸಬೇಡಿ. ಖಾಯಂ ಮನೆ ವಿಳಾಸ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷಾಲಯ, ಉಷಾ ನಿವಾಸ, ಸಾಸನೂರು ಬಾಯಿ ದವಾಖಾನೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ, ಮೇಘರಾಜ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಪಕ್ಕ, ರೇಣುಕಾ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಎದುರಿಗೆ, ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ರೋಡ್, ವಿಜಯಪುರ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9980273198.
ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ FM ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಖಚಿತಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.